Today, I've got an incredible story about a tree I grew up climbing and enjoying its tasty fruits. But what if I told you that this tree, which I've loved since childhood, holds the secret to soft, beautiful, healthy hair? So stick around because I will share how this humble tree transformed my hair care routine. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Self-Care Voyage. To my amazing subscribers, a warm welcome. And if you're visiting for the first time, I'm happy to have you here. Just a few weeks ago, I discovered that the powder made from Sidr leaves were the same as those from the tree that I climbed as a child. In my country, we call this plant dungs, but you might know this herb as Zizyphus. Now I was blown away at how supple, soft, and well conditioned my hair was all week after using this herb as a hair mask. And that got me curious. I was so excited that I wanted to share this discovery with you. By the end of this video, you will not only know why Sidr is a powerhouse for hair care, but you will also learn how you can incorporate this herb into your hair care routine to achieve healthy, lustrous, soft, well-conditioned, shiny hair. Because I'll be sharing some simple DIY recipes you can try at home. Let's get started, shall we? Sidr, or Zizyphus jujube, it's a tree that belongs to the Rhamnaceae family. It's known by many names, including Christ thorn jujube or jujube. This tree is also believed to be the one used to make Christ's crown of thorns. However, we can't be 100% sure, but this gives it the name Christ's crown of thorns. Let's break down its amazing botanical characteristics and why it's so special. Sidr leaves are small, ovate and glossy with a distinctive tree nerve pattern, right? The tree produces small yellowish green flowers and the fruits are known as jujubes, and they range in size and they turn from green to reddish brown as they ripen. The bark is rough and grayish and often with thorny branches. But what really sets this tree apart is its amazing benefits for hair care, known for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine. So there was this study where scientists prepared a polyherbal shampoo using Zizyphus leaves along with other herbs as the main ingredients. What they discovered was that this polyherbal shampoo was amazing at cleansing the hair. It had antimicrobial properties and the conditioning effects were amazing. The Zizyphus or dungs leaves were always used as a shampoo. Nevertheless, there are other benefits to using this leaf, which I will leave on the screen. So these leaves are great at cleansing the hair, promoting thickness, enhancing shine, and most importantly, conditioning the hair. So how can you incorporate Zizyphus into your hair care routine? Here are a few simple methods. Method number 1, a hair cleanser. For this, you can use either water, apple cider vinegar, or aloe vera juice, and you will need Zizyphus powder. So for this demonstration, I will use aloe vera juice. You can tailor the ingredients to suit your hair's density and length. So first, I will warm the aloe vera juice, and then I will add 2 teaspoons of Zizyphus powder to the aloe vera juice. I will stir it, then I'll leave it to cool. After it's cool, I will strain the powder from the aloe vera juice and use this to cleanse my scalp and my hair strands. Remember, this is a gentle cleanser, so you shouldn't use this method as your shampoo if you're trying to clear away product buildup. You can cleanse your hair using this method, for instance, after you're done working out at the gym, or if you want a light rinse between your wash days. The following methods are hair mask. So, method number 2, prepare a herbal tea. You can use one of my herbal teas that I've explained on this channel and ensure that the herbal tea is warm. And you will add Zizyphus powder to the herbal tea to prepare a hair mask. Section your hair, detangle each section, and twist them up. Then cleanse your hair with your favorite shampoo. Now go ahead and apply your hair mask. Ensure that you apply it to your scalp and you cover your strands thoroughly. Massage your scalp gently. Put on a plastic cap and leave this mask on for 30 to 60 minutes. Then you can go ahead and gently wash it out with lukewarm water. This mask will leave your hair soft, supple, and shiny. Now the third method was the one I used. You will need equal parts of henna, Tulsi, Moringa, and Zizyphus powder, along with aloe vera juice. You will need to warm the aloe vera juice in your microwave, and then you add it little by little to your powder mix to create a smooth paste. Ensure you section your hair, detangle each section, and then you twist them up. Go ahead and cleanse your strands and then apply the mask and coat your strands thoroughly. Remember to massage your scalp. So after applying your hair mask, put on a shower cap or a plastic bag. I left on my mask for 3.5 hours. Now it was my first time using the Zizyphus powder, so I wasn't sure what to expect. So after I washed out my hair mask, I went on to deep condition my hair, followed by final hair tea rinse, then my leave-in conditioner, followed by my oils, and then my hair butter. You can use this hair mask once a month to strengthen your hair. And after this, I noticed throughout the week my hair was so light, it was soft, and it felt well moisturized and conditioned. Zizyphus is truly a versatile herb for hair care. Because of its strengthening, conditioning, and cleansing properties, you can easily incorporate this herb into your hair care routine. So whether you use it alone or decide to use it with other amazing beneficial herbs, you will reap the benefits by adding this herb to your hair care routine. And there you have it, the incredible benefits of Sidr or Zizyphus or dungs leaf for healthy, luscious hair. I hope you found this video truly helpful and inspiring. Try Zizyphus for yourself and let me know how it worked for you in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and until next time, remember, your self-care journey starts now.